Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, we got a little problem on our hands that we need to tackle. It seems that there's a piece of code that doesn't compile as expected, but somehow it still evaluates to true. How strange is that? Let me break it down for you. Now, let's dive into the solution for this puzzling situation. The key here lies in understanding how concepts check the validity of requirements. When checking a requirement, only the immediate context of the expression is considered. This means that overload resolution for functions like std get does not exclude invalid template arguments, which can lead to unexpected behavior. Pretty interesting, right? In essence, the issue here is related to the immediate context of expressions and how overload resolution works. If a function overload like std getchar is not specified to be excluded when given an invalid template argument, the call can still go through successfully. To truly catch these errors, the implementation would need to be spiny-friendly and exclude such overloads from resolution. It's a bit of a tricky concept, but it's all part of the magic of C++. To sum it all up, we've uncovered how the intricacies of overload resolution can lead to unexpected outcomes when checking code validity. It's all about understanding the finer details of how concepts work in C++. And with that, I hope you found this explanation helpful and insightful. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding,